Mixed by Nits.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome to our in-depth review of the Xiaomi 14, the latest offering from Xiaomi that promises to be a compact flagship with no obvious flaws. Let's dive into what makes this device tick. But before that, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. First, let's talk about the design and the build quality of this phone. The Xiaomi 14 retains the design language of its predecessor, offering a sleek and user-friendly form factor. It's one of the few compact flagships that is easy to handle and doesn't compromise on the build quality. It has a glass or silicone polymer at the back with aluminum frame that feels more premium, with 8.3mm thick and 1.88 grams only. It also supports IP68 water and dust resistant, which are all present on the flagship phones. Moving on to the display, it's got this smooth, premium feel and the display is just gorgeous. It is featuring a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED panel. The Xiaomi 14 strikes the perfect balance between size and quality. The display offers vibrant colors and deep blacks, supports 1000 nits for typical use, and up to whopping 3000 nits peak brightness, with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for a seamless experience. But the real star of the show here is the performance. Xiaomi slapped a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in this bad boy, and let me tell you, it flies. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just crushing everyday tasks, this phone delivers a battery-smooth performance. It also packed with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. Now moving on to the camera. The camera setup is where the Xiaomi 14 truly shines. They've been upping up their camera game lately, and the 14 is no exception. It packs with a trio of 50MP cameras. Xiaomi has recreated the magic of Leica, making it difficult to take a bad picture. It's one of the best point-and-shot cameras on a smartphone. You also get an ultra-wide lens and a telephoto lens for zooming in. In good lighting, the photos are stunning, with rich colors and sharp details. Low light performance is pretty good too, and it supports 8K video recording 24 frames per second. The 32MP front-facing camera is great for selfies and video calls as well, and no complaints about it. Now in terms of the battery and charging performance, this device comes with a decent sized battery of 4610mAh that lasts all day and supports 90 watts charging that can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in just 31 minutes, and with 50 watts wireless charging, so you're never out of juice when you need it most. Moving on, Xiaomi's software has seen improvements and is less intrusive than previous versions. The phone runs on Android 14 with the latest Xiaomi HyperOS, offering a clean and intuitive user experience. Now here are my final thoughts. The Xiaomi 14 is a testament to Xiaomi's commitment to innovation and quality. It's a device that ticks all the right boxes for those looking for a powerful yet compact smartphone. With its outstanding camera, robust performance, and all-day battery life, the Xiaomi 14 is set to alter the status quo in the smartphone market. Alright, that's our quick review of the latest Xiaomi 14. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.